Craving something quick, refreshing, and elegant? Meet the spiced pear and walnut salad with maple dressing. Effortlessly simple, irresistibly delicious, and ready in just 5 minutes. Rooted in European and Mediterranean traditions of pairing fruits, nuts, and cheese, this salad reflects a modern love for fast, flavorful, and healthy meals. This gourmet-style salad brings together sweet, ripe pear slices, crunchy walnuts, tangy dried cranberries, and creamy goat cheese on a bed of crisp mixed greens. A warm, spiced maple dressing ties it all together. Just whisk 2 tablespoons maple syrup, 1 tablespoon olive oil, a pinch of cinnamon, and a dash of salt. Drizzle, toss gently, and top with cheese and a light dusting of cinnamon. Serve it solo for lunch, as a side with grilled chicken or salmon, or next to soups like butternut squash or carrot ginger. Pair with Sauvignon Blanc or chilled apple cider. For dessert, try a pear tart or panna cotta. Presented on a wide plate or rustic bowl, this vibrant dish looks as good as it tastes, perfect for entertaining or elevating your everyday table. With every bite, this salad offers the perfect balance of sweet, savory, creamy, and crisp. Proof that something so quick can still feel luxurious. Whether you're serving guests or treating yourself, it's a 5-minute masterpiece that transforms any meal into a memorable moment. Refreshing,